So now we will see something which is called as a Thales theorem. And Thales theorem is if there are two intersecting lines. Okay, let me draw two lines. What are lines? Lines are something which are connecting dots and forever extending. It can extend forever in this direction or it can extend forever in that direction. Okay, so this is a line. So let's say that there are two lines. One is this line and this line, and they are intersecting. Lines are intersecting at a point A. Okay, so they are intersecting at a point A. Now what is happening is, let's say that there is another line which is here. It is intersecting by one more line here like this to create a triangle. And the important thing is that there is one more parallel line which is intersecting. Parallel to what? Parallel to this. So these two lines are parallel. This is given that this line and this line is parallel. If they are intersecting, two lines are being intersected by two parallel lines at distinct points. Okay, so let me name them A, B. In this case, the Thales theorem says that AD is to AB, meaning from here to here is to full, is same as AE is to AC. So if parallel lines are there, then the segments cut from the intersecting lines by two parallel lines are proportional. Okay, so this is the theorem. So if parallel lines are intersecting, then this would be the intercepts would be proportional, is what is the Thales theorem. The converse of the theorem. This is, if this is the Thales theorem, you have to see the converse. Then the converse would be what? Converse would be if this is given. Converse shall be if this is given that there are two lines, there is a triangle and two lines are intercepting and these two lines are parallel and creating a triangle, and this ratio is given that it is same. So A, B, C, D, E. If this ratio is given as equal, meaning AD is to AB is equal to AE is to AC, then the two lines shall be parallel. So converse is if ratio is same, if ratio is equal, which ratio? This ratio is equal, then lines are parallel. So this is converse. So initial theorem was if you draw two parallel lines, then ratio will be equal. But if the ratio is equal, then lines are parallel is the converse of this theorem. So we saw the Thales theorem wherein both the triangles were on the same side. So we saw that there are two parallel lines like this and this, and then we gave you what was the proportion which was supposed to be equal. Now, if one parallel line is this side and one parallel line is this side, so let's say this is A and this is B, C, and let's say D and E. Okay, so now what would happen is you can know that this angle is equal to this angle because of alternate interior in a parallel line, and this would be equal to this. So now what shall happen with the Thales theorem is AB is to AD, AB is to AD shall be equal to AC is to AE. So this is also Thales theorem, and converse is also the same. If they are equal, then these two lines shall be parallel. Okay, that's what is the Thales intercepts theorem.